In 13th of March, Cognition AI, which is an AI startup, has launched what it claims to be the world's first AI software engineer called Devin. Devin is not a chatbot, instead it's an AI software engineer that has the capabilities to code entire projects from just a single prompt. Currently, Devin is housed in its own sandbox environment. According to Cognition AI, Devin can solve tasks using its own code editor and web browser. It can even recall relevant context, learn over time, and fix mistakes. Cognition also showcased the model testing Meta's Llama 2 on Replicate, Perplexity, and Together. The system was able to build the entire project, even fixing errors. Here comes the question. If Devin could fix bugs on its own generated code, how come it still managed to produce bugs at the first place? Cognition evaluated Devin on SWE Bench. It's a benchmark that tasks agents to solve issues on software engineers would typically find in open source projects. According to the results, Devin correctly resolved 13.86% of issues end-to-end, outperforming specialized coding models like SWE Llama and large language models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic Claude 2. Devin was unassisted during the benchmark test, meaning it was not told exactly what files need to be edited. Other models were assisted. Devin is not currently available to public. Hopefully it will be available to public soon so that developers could have a try on its capabilities. What do you think about Devin, the first AI software engineer? When it's first launched, many analysts stated that this is the end of career for a software engineer. However, Cognition itself marketed Devin as a teammate to software engineer rather than a replacement. Do you mind your code being used to train by the model for public use? Share with us your thought in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.